Have you ever wondered about the role of artificial intelligence in education? This isn't just a futuristic concept, it's a present reality. Artificial intelligence is transforming classrooms, enhancing teaching methods, and enriching student learning. From creating captivating stories to mastering foreign languages, AI is revolutionizing the way we learn. To truly appreciate the impact of AI, let's delve into some real-life case studies. First off, we have tools like Storybird, which utilize AI to assist students in improving their writing skills. By creating engaging stories, learners can expand their vocabulary, enhance creative thinking, and boost their overall writing prowess. Next, we look at digital platforms such as Century. This platform employs AI to personalize the learning journey for each student. By analyzing a student's strengths and weaknesses, it provides tailored learning materials, ensuring no learner is left behind. Then we have language learning apps like Duolingo. It's not just a trendy app on your phone, it's a powerful tool that uses AI to enhance language proficiency. Through smart repetition and interactive exercises, Duolingo makes mastering a foreign language less daunting and more fun. Finally, let's consider tools like Canva. Canva uses AI to help students make their school projects look professional. From creating eye-catching presentations to designing informative infographics, Canva's AI capabilities make it easier than ever to visually communicate ideas. These cases provide a glimpse into how AI is improving teaching and learning. From writing skills to digital literacy, from language proficiency to design aesthetics, AI is truly revolutionizing education. So what does this all mean for the future of education? In a nutshell, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing teaching methods, making them more dynamic and interactive. It's personalizing the learning experience, tailoring it to each student's unique needs. It's also equipping students with essential digital skills, from creating engaging stories to mastering foreign languages. As AI continues to evolve, so too will the landscape of education. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of AI in education.